Okay, I need to hire a chef, and I'm gonna hire a chef now, because I don't want to eat McDonald's no more. So I'm gonna go hire a chef. Huh. Wait, how are you doing the voice of Toad?
I'm the voice actor Toad.
Oh, okay. Let's go in the kitchen now. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, as you can see here, my cooking sucks. I can only make coffee and eggs. So, what I want you to do is cook.
Okay.
You better cook something that's not McDonald's, okay?
Perfect.
What the heck is this? What is this monstrosity?
This is marshmallow cooked. And look, I had this. I won it from the cooking show.
That's baseball.
It's a cooking show. You see this?
Baseball is a sport. Ah, my head! I don't want to get cooked. But what is this?
Marshmallow. I'm gonna taste it.
I want to taste some.
That's kind of good.
Okay. Blech, that tastes like sugar. Holy crap. You know what? No. Throw that out and make something better, okay?
I'm eating it.
But make something better.
Okay.
Okay, you need to make me a boiled potato. And if you don't... You laughing because I dropped my hat? Is that why you're laughing?
Yes.
Okay, but boil myself a potato. You gotta put the potato in here and then fill it up with water. Stop lying. Stop laughing. It's my Italian accent. So I'm gonna go and see if you boil this good. Okay?
Okay. Time to put water on it. Come on, boil. Oh, this is hot. And that's good. Okay, there we go. Time to put it in the oven. This is not an oven. This is a microwave. It's dirty. Luigi doesn't clean this. How nasty it is. Close it. Oops. I think I have to get this nice and clean. Oh no! Okay, it's gonna burn. Okay. Got to get a ladder. Oh well, just use a chair.
Ooh, magical towel.
You're down. You're dead. You're dead. Okay. Oh my god, this chair spins so much. Yeah, food is ready.
Oh boy, my food is... What is this? What is this monstrosity?
This is a cooked potato.
That's not even a good potato. It's not a cooked potato. It's not a boiled potato. It's not even a good
it's
potato.
rotten.
You know what? You know what I think of this? That's what I think of it.
I'm gonna cook your hat.
What?
Can I cook your cat?
What? Look what I'm doing. I'm gonna pour this all over
no.
you. Yeah.
Be careful with the thing.
I'm gonna pour this all over you. What you get? Yeah, that's what you get. It burns, right? It burns.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. Get out of here. No one wants you. Ugh. I hate these chefs. 1-star reviewer getting on Yelp or whatever people use these days.